Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host I see your corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. Today we are going to talk about Dogemoon. So Dogemoon is another brand new meme token that will be launching on May 13th at 9 a.m. UTC on PancakeSwap. As we all know that we are currently seeing a hype of meme token in market. So this is another brand new meme token that is Dogemoon. So this project will be listing on PancakeSwap at 9 a.m. UTC on May 13th. So there will be no pre-sale and no public sale for this token. You can directly purchase on May 13th from PancakeSwap. So this project is very much similar to the SafeMoon and Polymoon, as we have seen a huge gain from the SafeMoon and Polymoon project. So this project can give us also similar kind of hype and gain in near future. So I highly recommend you to purchase from the PancakeSwap at the time of launch. So this will be benefiting you in near future. So why we should choose Dogemoon? So Dogemoon is a community driven project. There is no dev token and team token, so you don't have to worry about team dumping on the community. So this project is totally depending on the community decision, and various other stuff will be decided by the community. So Dogemoon is a community driven cryptocurrency that operates in the growing and fast moving digital currency space, creating a wealth for everyone on the way to the moon. So this project has some cool features like automatic liquidity generation and unlimited rewards. So what is automatic liquidity generation? Every transaction automatically generates liquidity and support end-to-end decentralized ecosystem. So each and every transaction that will be operating on Dogemoon network will be creating an liquidity. So there will be never scarcity of the liquidity, and each and every transaction will be generating some amount of liquidity into the liquidity. So this is a very cool feature of Dogemoon, of automatic liquidity generation. Unlimited reward. Dogemoon wants holder to earn rewards from every transaction made within Dogemoon network as they watch their Dogemoon balance grow. So with automatic liquidity generation, they are also having unlimited rewards. So if you are holding Dogemoon in your wallet, you will be earning from the each and every transaction that are made in Dogemoon network. This will be increasing their Dogemoon balance, and they will be earning some kind of passive income with the help of their unlimited reward system. So these both are very cool features of Dogemoon. So here is the roadmap. If you want to check out the roadmap, you can check them out. Let's check out the quadrant 2 of 2021. So here is the roadmap of quadrant 2 of 2021. Here you can see each and every announcement like website update, safe launch, and liquidity locked for 369 days, burning of 69% of the total supply, auction of some cool Doge NFT. So they are also planning to launch that Doge NFT. So you can also participate in Doge NFT when they have launched super giveaways. So there will be giveaways of that Dogemoon token also, and listing in CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So after they have launched in PancakeSwap, they will be soon going for the listing in CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And after the listing is done, they will be heading towards the smart contract audit. So you will be soon getting the audited smart contract from them, and mass marketing event will also be taking place in quadrant 2 of 2021. So these are all updates of quadrant 2 2021, so you can check them out. In quadrant 3 of 2021, they will be going for the exchange listing. So this is an important step of any project, that is exchange listing. So this will be creating a very important hype in other communities of the exchanges, and various other people will also be get to know about Dogemoon project, as the exchange listing will be creating a very good awareness of Dogemoon in external community also. Launch of mini games and cartoon, new farm pool for Dogemoon. So these are all updates of quadrant 3 of 2021. You can check them out too. And the last is quadrant 4 2021. They will be conducting a super lottery for all Dogemoon holders. So this will be worth of 1 million USD. So they have also given a quick disclaimer of Dogemoon project. So you can check out the disclaimer. I recommend you to go through the disclaimer also, because this project is a purely experimental project. So they are also telling you to purchase Dogemoon to have fun and to experience this experimental game with us. So I recommend you to invest wisely in any project. So here is the term and condition of Dogemoon project. You can check them out too. So here they have given the tokenomics of Dogemoon. The total supply of Dogemoon is around 1000 trillion coins, and out of which 69%, that is 690 trillion Dogemoon coins, will be burned as initial supply burn. So only 31% of initial supply will be left, that is 310 trillion Dogemoon token will be left, and initial LP token will be locked for 369 days via Unicrypt. So initial supply will be locked for 369 days with the help of Unicrypt, and there will be no pre-sale, zero dev token, zero team allocation, and it will be a fair launch. So if you want to purchase Dogemoon token, you can directly purchase when it is launched on PancakeSwap on 13th May 9 AM UTC. So here is their gaming procedure. Each token transaction on Dodgemoon will incur 10% charge, of which 60% will go towards Dodgemoon Binance liquidity pool on PancakeSwap, and 40% will be distributed to all current Dodgemoon token holders. So 10% of the charges will be taken off each and every transaction that they are going to make on Dodgemoon network. From the 10% charge, 60% will be going towards Dodgemoon and Binance BNB liquidity pair in Uniswap, and 40% of the 10% of the charge will be distributed to the Dodgemoon token holders. This is how they have planned to generate automatic liquidity generation and unlimited rewards to their token holders. So here they have also given some basic information about the project. You can check them out and you can get complete information thoroughly, and I recommend you to go through this information because this will be helping you to understand the point of view of project and clearing the doubt about the project yourself. And I also recommend you to join that Twitter and Telegram group because you will be getting ton of information and ton of announcement with the help of the Twitter and Telegram group. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.